Namaste everyone, welcome to this channel er.pedia. Yesterday in the office, my boss gave me this mixed data set and he wanted me to extract the phone number and the emails. This one is the phone number and this one is email. Now the things is that if I do the copy and paste method, then it will take the whole day to complete the task. But I also have other works to complete. Then at the moment, I remembered the flash fill options available in the Excel. Now to extract the phone number, I just need to copy the few phone numbers and paste in the cell. Just copy this phone number and paste here. Copy one more and paste here. Now in order to use the flash fill options, first I have to select the next cell. Then go to data and here is the flash fill options. Its shortcut key is Ctrl+E. We can press Ctrl+E directly or click on this flash fill. Now you will see the beauty of Excel. Now all our phone number have been extracted from the mixed dataset. Similarly, to extract the email, first I need to copy this email here and paste. Copy few more emails so that Excel could understand the pattern. Go to the next cell. Now go to the next cell and press Ctrl+E, the shortcut key of flash fill. Now it will copy all the emails from the mixed dataset. This is how you can extract the phone number and the email. This is the beauty of Excel skills. Within a minute, I sent the extracted phone number and emails to the boss and he praised me. This is how you can use flash fill options in Excel. Hope you like this video. Encourage me by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching this video.